Hi guys, I was going to do a video about a lovely lady who had the wrong kidney taken out, how she had to go back and get the correct kidney taken out at a very reputable hospital. But you know what? There's more fun things going on. Like right now, there's some stuff going on at Ulta. And I wanted to show you, just share with you today what I got at Ulta, and also share with you what my ride or die products are. And I would love to hear what yours are as well. So the first thing I put on every single solitary morning is this Dermatology. I want to pronounce it correctly. I want to say dermatology instead of dermatology. It is the Universal Tinted Moisturizing SPF 46 Tinted Moisturizer with SPF. This goes on every single day, 365 days out of the year, from here, ears, all the way down to my chest. I love this product. It works perfectly for my skin. I have really dry skin. And then the next thing that I have discovered, let's get the product out of here. Have you guys tried this product by Milk Makeup? It's beautiful. Okay, it's Hydro Grip Gel Tint. I love it. I'm in number 3 and it matches perfectly. And again, it has a lot of product in here that, helps my dry skin. It's a long wear gel skin tint with hydrating hyaluronic acid and gripping blue agave extracts for breathable light coverage with a naturally dewy finish. All right, so I've been using this every day and I use it with a sponge. Some people want to use it with the brush that they have. And it looks like this. So nice when you find something new that you really love and you can try new products out. So here it is. Let's put it on my dry hand. This product is just really, really, really pretty. Goes in nicely, matches beautifully. Today, this is what I got at Ulta as well. This is by Real Techniques Limited Edition Cherry on Top Mesmerize Brush Trio. And it looks like this. Look at how pretty these are. If you like colors in pinks and reds, it's got kind of purple in it, I would say too. I just think these are really nice. And I broke this one out right away because when I was in Ulta, I spent some time in there trying products on, and I have something on my eyes called by Stila. It's the Liquid Play Matte Eyeshadow and Marvelous Matte. I've seen this a lot on Instagram about it being such a great universal color. I don't know that I love it, but I put it on today so I could wear it. It goes on and then it dries down super fast. So you do need a brush. They didn't have brushes. All they had were these tiny sponges, and that didn't really work. So it's not blended in perfectly, but as soon as I pulled this out, I just instantly, tried to get it to blend a little bit better. I did not put any on the bottom. But I think it is a very nice color. She said it's really popular, and that's because it's on TikTok and Instagram, I guess, a whole lot. The Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Waterproof eyeliner is something that I know a lot of people use. That's not my ride or die. I love the Charlotte Tilbury Rock and Coal and Barbara Brown. I have been wearing this for years. I know it looks so dark, but it is a really beautiful kind of a cool brown. But I wanted to try the Urban Decay in Mushroom. So that's what I have on here. I don't see it showing up quite as much as I see the Charlotte Tilbury when I put that on. Maybe I'm just not used to it. I want your opinion. What do you guys think of these colors? I'm not sure about the mauve. I usually stick with nothing, or I put on a very light brown. The other thing that I wanted to try out, I thought I was going to buy it today, but then I tried it out in the store and I absolutely hate it. Sorry, but it's the REM Essential Drip Lip Oil. And I thought it was really kind of interesting because it came in not that very many colors, but the one color of it being that kind of a light blue. And she said that it matches with the pH in your lips and it'll come out to be whatever color. But whenever I try those things on, I have extremely bright or red lips, and it doesn't seem to come off very well. So I skipped that color and I decided just to try a neutral pink, and it's very pretty. But then as I was going around the store, buying other things, looking at other things, it became really sticky and then it was gone. So I just stick with the one that I love. I have a few that I've used for a really long time. This is a Bobbi Brown one. It's a lip oil. And then look, I got so many, you guys. I just have tons of lip oils and tons of lip glosses. I love them all. But I don't love that one. So I'm glad I tried it on because I was really excited to try this drip lip oil, but I don't like it. For brows, I almost exclusively use the Big Bush Brow by Urban Decay. I've gone through many tubes of this, and it's the kind with the fibers, so I really like that. But I don't love the color, and even though this is considered neutral, it was, for me, I felt like it was still pulled a little too reddish brown. And since I've let my hair go this natural color, I don't have much brown left. I definitely am either cool tone or neutral. So I'm trying the Benefit Gimme Brow. This is also one that has the fibers. It says Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel, and the color is Cool Gray. That's what I have on right now. What do we think? Cool Gray versus brown. Here it is. Tiny, isn't it? Look at, I'm doing this without glasses and I can't really see looking at it through the camera. But I think that this color suits me better. I don't know. It's really hard, you guys, when you've been dark-haired, dark-eyed person all your life, and then you let your hair go, and this is what comes out. All of these colors are my natural colors. I've got a little bit of gray, silver, blonde, and brown in here. Definitely had to change my makeup colors. Okay, here's something else that's fun because I love lip oils, but this is the Kylie Cosmetics, and I'm giving this to Liza. I'm going to be seeing her and my son in California soon. This is for you, Liza, and also this is for you, Liza and Josh. This is the Pacifica. I love all their products. Acne Warrior Acne Fighting Body Wash. It's got the 2% salicylic acid in it. I use this kind of a product, but meant for face, every single day with salicylic acid. And it's nice to have the body one as well. This is really nice. So this will be coming with me to California for Josh and Liza. What else is in our little bag? Check this out. Pacifica Wake Up Beauty Retinol Body Serum. Anybody try this? This looks like an amazing product. Let's take this off. Just going to try it out. I think it is more like one of those spray lotions. Don't want this going on my floor because then we'll slip. Oh, okay. I guess I was expecting it to be more of a spray, but it's a pretty much unscented. Okay. Jeez, oh gosh. Wow, this is kind of, I don't want to say heavy lotion, but you got to really rub this in. So, okay, I find this in a spray can to be easier than in a tub or a pump. I don't know why. And the can is really pretty, isn't it? With retinol. All right, so there it is. Oh, while I'm in California, by the way, I have an appointment. I'm going to get these touched up. I'm really disappointed. I had it done by Slave to the Needle in Seattle, maybe 10 years ago. I don't even know. It says, for you, the snow will fall with flowers. It's got the 3 blue plumerias. I'm going to have color added to it. I'm just so disappointed that this lettering has smeared so much. And he was pretty heavy-handed with it. And it's just disappointing when that happens. But anyway, she's going to fix it up the best that she can. All right, let's look at this. Morphe, it's a mini, so I can bring it with me. Continuous Prep and Set Mist. Supercharged with ceramides and antioxidants. I put this on already. Beautiful mist that comes out. Here we go. Oh, that smells nice. Huh. All right, so that'll dry down a little bit, but it's still going to have a little bit of a glow, which is what I want. This looks like a lot of fun, you guys. Okay. Guess what? You'll be naked in a minute. Why did I fall for this? Original Coffee Scrub Exfoliator for Smooth Glowing Skin. Frank Body. I don't know what. Lose the pants. You don't need them where you're going. Let's see. Lose the pants. You don't need them where we're going. Oh yeah, okay. Let's try this again. Lose the pants. You don't need them where we're going. Destination, Babe Town. God, why did I fall for this? All right, let's take a look at what this is. It just looked like fun. I have to be careful what I use on my skin. I have cutaneous lymphoma. I have videos on that if you're curious what all that means. Yes, it's lymphoma, and yes, it's in the skin. Oh, what? No. I should have shown you. I just took this off. Does that look at all appetizing? It smells like coffee. This is just no different than coffee. You guys. Stop. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. Here we go. Here's the Folgers Classic Roast. And here is the Original Coffee Scrub by, I guess, Frank Body. So let's see what the difference is. Freshly opened. Okay, here we are. Do you see the difference? It smells exactly the same. No joke. Okay, well, here it is. I guess I'll rinse it off and see if it transformed anything. I stink like coffee grounds. Oh, the things we fall for, you guys. And then, what else is in here? Hi, Noah. We've got the Redken Acidic Color Gloss, sulfate-free shampoo. Let's gloss up our hair. This smells nice. Let's just see if this, makes a difference. And then I had to get a new emery board because it's in a color that I just love, the oranges and pinks, and this is going to go in my car. Okay, lastly, I just use simple products as far as, some of them are a bit pricey, but what I'm saying is I don't do contouring, I don't do anything I don't do highlighting, but I use this Hourglass. This is my second one, maybe. This is a different color. It's the Ambient Lighting Blush Luminous Flush. And I just swirl the brush in and I just put it on, and that's that. Then when it comes to mascara, I do love this one right here, FanFest by Benefit. This is one of my favorites. I just got the big tube. Normally I get the small little ones. All right, so I have coffee grounds everywhere, and I hope this was fun. I just wanted to do something fun today with you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful day. It's springtime now. I hear the birds. It's late in the evening or afternoon, excuse me. It's about 4:30 p.m. And for those of you who are new, thank you for my new subscribers, although it still continues to tell me that it's the new people coming in and popping by and watching rather than new subscribers that are here watching the videos on a more consistent basis. I don't know. I'm just glad you're here. If you are interested in health-related topics, things that are myths about medicine, interesting facts about medicine, medical oopsies, even just healthcare or health-related things that make our heart and soul feel good, please consider subscribing. If you have any suggestions on a video on a topic that you're interested in, please let me know. I'll see you in the next video.